So hello friends, I am Pratik and today I will teach you chemistry chapter 4 or class 6. This chapter 4, what is water? Water is an important thing. Water is a very essential thing for human life and all human, birds, animals, for all life. Anyone will ask you what is water, so what you say? You will say water is an important natural resource required by all living beings. After that, we can say that water is a very essential for us. Water, occurrence of water, पानी कितना है? There are 70% of water on the earth and 30% of land on the earth. So, what is the percentage of pure water? About 97% of Earth's water are salty and 3% of water are pure, but 2% of water are freezed as a glacier on Himalayas. After only 1% of water was left that are below the ground. So we are drinking that water only. So friends, we know about what is in our body. How many parts are water? There are 70% parts is water. Our body consists of 70% of water. After that, we can talk about the source of water. There are three sources of water. There are three sources of water. Three source of water. After that, what are that three types of water? First is rainwater. Rainwater. After that, what is? After that, surface water. After that, surface water. Surface water. After that, what? After that, groundwater. Groundwater. So, if you not understand in English, so say or write on in comment. I will explain you in Hindi also. So, what is rainwater? We will talk about rainwater. अब हम लोग बात करेंगे रेनवाटर के बारे में. Rainwater is the purest form of water. So friends, what is rainwater? Rainwater is the purest form of water in world. Why? Because the rainwater was collecting by the evaporating of sea. जब पानी उबलता है तो उस भाप से बादल बनता है और उसी के मदद से बारिश होती है. सो आफ्टर दैट, ये जो प्रोसेस है ना, वेपर ऊपर जाने का, पानी उबलने का, वेपर ऊपर जाने का, उसके बाद फिर से बारिश होने का, इवोपरेशन, कंडेंसेशन, ये दो प्रोसेस हुए. ये वाटर साइकिल चलते रहता है. आफ्टर दैट, वाई रेन वाटर गेट्स पॉल्यूटेड? रेन वाटर पॉल्यूट क्यों हो जाता है? इन दी एटमॉस्फेयर. इन दी एटमॉस्फेयर, हमारे वायुमंडल में, हवा जो पॉल्यूटेड है, वाटर विल कम इन आवर एटमॉस्फेयर, देन इट गेट पॉल्यूटेड विथ द डस्ट पार्टिकल्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, जब पानी, बारिश का पानी नीचे आता है तो हमारी जो पॉल्यूटेड हवा है, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स है जो वाटर में, एयर में, वो वाटर में चल जाते हैं. सो द रेन वाटर विल पॉल्यूटेड. आफ्टर दैट, what are the gases present in the rainwater? First of all, oxide of carbon, oxide of carbon. After that, nitrogen. After the nitrogen, the third is sulfur. So friends, these three gases are present in the water. After that, we will talk about surface water. तो अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे सरफेस वाटर. In surface water, this water present in like three parts. First is ocean and sea. Second is river. In ocean and sea, the water is salty in ocean and sea. The water is salty, मतलब पानी नमकीन होता है ओशियन और सी में. आफ्टर दैट, दी 70% ऑफ सरफेस वाटर आर इन ओशियन एंड सी ओनली. उसके बाद हम लोग पढ़ेंगे व्हाट इज सैलिन वाटर. What is saline water? What is saline water? So friends, what is saline water? We will say that the water that is salty is called saline water. So friends, the sea water is 35 gram per kg. The salinity of a sea water. ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. The salinity of sea water is 35 gram per kg. So we will measure the salinity of sea water by salinometer. What? Salinometer. आप ये कॉपी कर सकते हैं सैलिनोमीटर, because the salinometer is used to measure the salinity of sea water. After that, what are second are river, lakes and ponds. River, lake and ponds. So in river, lake and ponds, water present that are pure water and that are not salty water. After that friends, the saline water is not good for drinking. If we will drink only 3-4 liters of saline water, we will die. We will maybe die. After that, the saline water and the river lakes water, we will talk about groundwater. Okay friends, we will talk about groundwater. So friends, अब हम लोग देखेंगे ग्राउंड वाटर. व्हाट इज ग्राउंड वाटर? द वाटर दैट कलेक्टेड अंडर द ग्राउंड by the soil is called groundwater. After that, groundwater, we can say that groundwater is also the underground water. After that, the level of water under the ground is called water table. The level of water level, the level of water under the ground, the level of water under the ground is, the level of water under the ground is called water table. Water table is called water table. Table. Sorry, water table. After that, there are very thick layer of soil. In the layer of soil, there are very sand, rock, soil. There are many types of layer. After that, the layer substitutes, the layer suspend impurities. After that, groundwater is found in the well. What is well? The well is the pool of water that is obtained by digging the soil. Okay, that is obtained by digging the soil will till its impervious layer. So what is impervious layer? The layer of soil that not allow liquid and gas to pass through is called impervious layer. After that, we will talk about in generally in this life we are using the hand pumps, borings and other things, but at that time the people are using well. So friends, this topic will ends. After that video we will talk about the states of water and water cycle. Please friends, like, subscribe and share this video. Okay friends.